Hi everyone, welcome to Accelerated Piano. I'm Jane Trotter. Today's tutorial is all about learning to play a C major scale. I'll start you off by doing separate hands, 1 octave, and then hands together. And then we'll follow that up by 2 octaves, separate hands, and then together. So let's get you started. We will do the right hand of C major. Start on C, obviously, with your thumb. And the main thing to think of is after your third finger, your thumb passes under to F and walks all the way up to your C. And then you just reverse the fingering on the way down. Third finger goes over and down to C. So the thing to watch with your thumb turn is that it's a nice sort of easy, gentle pass under. Might be a little bit of a swing with your third finger to allow that to happen nice and easily. Thumb just passes under, up like that. Okay, your left hand does a similar thing. We're going to start with your little finger on C, and we're going to walk up to your thumb, and then your third finger goes over. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Third finger passes over. Back again to your third finger, and again just let your thumb pass under nice and easily down to the G, and then you're down to your little finger. So when it's hands together, you can think of your third fingers playing at the same time. It's a nice sort of cue to remember. So threes together, your thumb turns under in your right hand. Threes together, walk straight up, back with threes together, thumb turns under in your left hand, threes together, and down. Now I've got this page which might help. It's got the notes that you need for the C major scale on the keyboard above. And you can see there are no black keys in that at all, just all white keys for C major. And underneath, I've got the scale as it appears on the stave with all of the fingering. So I suggest you do it separate hands first, and then just slowly work on putting that hands together. Okay, let's check out 2 octaves. And for this, you want to be thinking of 3, 4, 3 around your thumb turns. And so that's the C major fingering pattern. That occurs in a lot of other white key major scales. So once you get it really comfortable for C major, you'll be able to transfer that on to a whole host of other scales, and they'll be quite easy to learn. So here we go. Let's check out C major, right hand, 2 octaves. So 3, 4, 3 is what we want to remember. 3, then your thumb, walk up to 4, then your thumb, up to 3, then your thumb, all the way up to your little finger, come back down again, so down to your thumb, 3 goes over, down to your thumb, 4 goes over, down to your thumb, 3 goes over. Let's check it out for your left hand. Same thing, 3, 4, 3 around your thumb turns. So start with 5, walk on up, 3 goes over. We've got to your thumb, 4 goes over. Got to your thumb, 3 goes over. Same thing in reverse, 3, then your thumb. Walk down to 4, then your thumb. Down to 3, then your thumb, and then all the way down to your little finger. Okay, so it gets a little bit trickier when it's both hands in, but there are some little tips which I'll share with you as we go. So, threes together, just like we did in 1 octave. So threes together there. Now, this is my tip for this middle turn. We're going to think 4T4. So your right hand fourth finger kicks in there, T for your thumbs on your home note, and then 4 kicks in for your left hand. 3s together again, 3s together again. Coming back, 3s together, 3s together. Here comes the 4T4, so 4 there for your left hand first. Thumbs kick in together on your home note. 4, the other one in your right hand, kicks in there. 3s together, 3s together, and down. So there you go, a couple of tips to help with that fingering. Most students find it difficult in that middle turn area, so around your 2 octaves, right in there. So you're coming down, think 4, T, 4, and then you're good. 3s together and down. So I've got some other pages here which you can download from the Accelerando Piano website. And this is the white key major scales, 2 octaves, and you'll see that I've got the key signature notes highlighted. Some students really like to see what the black keys are coming up, but others don't. So if you prefer not to have the notes highlighted, I've got this page as an option as well. So still the 2 octaves, but without the highlighted notes. So there you go, that is your C major scale. It's a nice one to do, no black keys to think of. We've got that 3-4-3 fingering to remember around the thumb turns. Keep it separate hands first, then together, and good luck.